Now, good morning, children. Next bit, arrange the columns and find the difference. Here, getting some numbers: 89,567 minus 34,589. You are arranged in the columns coming from ones. You should write 7. Now, in tens 5, 6, 5, 9, and 8 minus. Now next 9, 8, now 5, 4, 3. Okay, you're doing subtraction. Okay, ma? You're doing subtraction. Now coming from ones, in your ones 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 is possible, amma? No. So you are taking borrowing from tens. Yes. Tens are after borrowing you are taking borrowing from tens. 1 is a gone. So after borrowing 6 is a 5. You are taking how much? 10. Now 10 plus 7 you get 17. Okay. You get 17. Now you are counting 9 after to 17. 9 after nunchi 7 varki 17 varki count cheyandi. You get in some fingers. So 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Now total how many? 8 fingers. You get 8 fingers. So what is your answer, amma? 8. That is a keep in a ones. Now here 5 is there. 5 minus 8. 5 nunchi 8 remove kal. Possible? No. Borrowing from hundreds. Now after borrowing 5 is the 4. Now this 5 is the 15. Now 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. 8 nunchi 15 variki count cheyandi. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You are getting how many, amma? 7. Okay. That's the right in a tens. Okay, now next 4 minus 5. 4 nunchi 5 remove cheyali. Possible? No. So you come taking borrowing from thousands. After borrowing 9 is the 8. This 4 is the 14. Again 5 nunchi 14 variki count cheyandi. 5 to 14. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, 13, 14. So you get how many? 9. What is your answer, amma? 9. Write in a hundreds 9. Now next thousands. In thousands 8 minus 4. In thousands 8 minus 4. 4 after to 8 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4. Okay, now next again 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 you get 5. Write it down. Okay, next problem. Next 73,000 minus 54,456. First write in a arrange in a columns. Okay. Now 0 minus 6 is it possible? No. So you're taking borrowing from this 10 summer. Okay. Now after borrowing, this is a 9, this is a 10, this is a 9, this 3 is a 2. You're taking borrowing from thousands, so thousands to hundreds, again hundreds to tens, tens to hundreds. So that's why this 3 is a 2, this 0 is 9, this 0 is 9, this 0 is a 10. Now 10 minus 6, you get 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. Now next 2 minus 4. 2 nunchi 4 remove cheyali. Possible? No. Borrowing from 7. 12 minus 4. How much 12 minus 4? 4 nunchi 12 ki count cheyandi. You get 8. Now next 6 minus 5, 1. What is your answer? 18,544. Write it down. Next I will give homework. Next write down homework. We'll do these 2 problems and post it. Amma. Two lakh 15,000 minus 54,456. Now that is the one problem. Now next one, 60,431 minus 25,675. Okay, thank you.